Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, it's going to be a short villain, just informative to you guys. But yes, guys, as you can finally see, Visible Wireless is finally available on BestBuy.com. Also in stores pretty soon. Some stores do have it already available. As you can see, here's Best Buy right here. But yes, guys, this is on Best Buy's website. So let's get into it, guys. Let's explore a little bit. And like I said, if you go to your local Best Buy, you might already have it. I'm gonna go check mine out pretty soon, the next day or two. Probably on Monday to go check it out, but it is reported that it is available in some stores. So let's get into it, guys. This is powered by Verizon. Of course, I do use Visible as one of my carriers that I use, so that's why I talk about them. Very good. It does use Verizon's network, and Verizon does own them. So it says there's three things here: unlimited data for $25 a month. Not just the first 3 months, every month, really. So that's, of course, there is going to be for their base plan, guys. But Visible was always just an app and everything online, never a store. Now, I'm not too sure. I know you can probably go to Best Buy and maybe ask for some help, but they're probably not going to be fully trained on Visible since they're just going to be selling the service on it. Of course, it is powered by Verizon. It says 3 unlimited plans, all on Verizon's network. Now available at Best Buy, starting at just $25 a month. So it's kind of the same thing that Straight Talk did with like Walmart and stuff like that. Of course, Best Buy does have some exclusive savings. Same thing with Total Wireless, like I said, or Total by Verizon had with Walmart. Which, if you got their plans through them, you would save an extra like $5 per month. But it says save. Look at that. Save $5 a month on Visible Plus and $10 a month on Visible Plus Pro plan for 12 months when you shop. Pretty cool. Here's the 3 plans that they have. It says get the unlimited wireless hack, unlimited 5G data, unlimited hotspot, and international benefits as low as $25 a month. Now, personally, guys, if you're watching this video, I would not suggest the $25 plan. A lot of people get it. They complain that their service is very slow or not working just because you don't have any priority data. Versus these two, you do have priority data, which you definitely want on Verizon, especially if there's a lot of Verizon customers in your area, which there is here where I live. And sorry, guys, I just ate some pieces, so my voice is very raspy. It says unlimited 5G data, talk and text, unlimited mobile hotspot at 5 megabits per second, video streams at 480p or standard definition, so not HD, just 480p. Unlimited talk and text from US to Mexico and Canada. Now we get to the Visible Plus plan. It's 30, normally it's 35, but remember you get a $5 savings for 1 year, as you can see right here. Unlimited 5G ultra wideband. So remember, this does not have ultra wideband. These two do. 2 times faster unlimited mobile hotspot data. So I believe that one is 10 megabits per second versus 5. Video does stream at 1080 full HD. Unlimited international roaming in Mexico and Canada. 1 global pass day per month included. That's $10 savings. And finally, this is the plan that I currently have, which is the Visible Plus Pro plan. Normally it's $45, guys, but of course you would get it. You save $10, you get it for $35. So why not? It's only $5 more than the Plus, So definitely get this plan. Unlimited 5G ultra wideband, 3 times faster unlimited mobile hotspot data. Like I said, that one is 15 megabits per second. Video does stream at 4K Ultra HD. Unlimited international roaming in Mexico and Canada. Calling from the US to 85 plus countries. Text to 200 plus. Global 2 global pass days per month included. And smartwatch service is included, which usually is a $10 to $15 service. But if you have an Apple Watch that's cellular, you can connect it. So pretty cool. Of course, you can bring your number over to Visible Wireless. I did from any carrier, so super easy. What's cool about Best Buy is they do sell unlocked phones which are compatible with Visible Wireless. As you can see, they have up to the Samsungs, the iPhones. So any unlocked phone really will work on them as long as it works like on Verizon and stuff like that. And if it's unlocked as well, but mainly all are gonna work. Or a majority of them, as long as they're unlocked, will work on Visible. Of course, coverage is Verizon's coverage. Unlimited data, no hidden fees. 99% of the U.S. population covered. All the hotspot usage you can handle. 24/7 access to human assistance. Now, it's all via text or through the app. There's not a customer service. and activates in less than 15 minutes. Like I said, the main difference between these is you have priority, unlimited priority data, I believe, definitely on this one, where your speeds are always going to be fast. You definitely want that, guys. That's about it, guys. So yeah, if you want to check your local Best Buy, check them out. As I said, Visible Wireless is now available at in stores, actually. So you can also bring your own phone if you wanted to. So which is great, you know. So you can check compatibility right here. Just put in your phone's IMEI and it will let you know if it's compatible. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe. More videos coming your way. There's a couple things I want to talk to you, but that's for another video. So check out the description below, guys, to support the channel. More videos. I will make more. It's just been super busy at work, guys, so I apologize for that. But more videos definitely coming your way.